I hereby declare Exercise Balikatan 40-2025 officially closed.
Simula noong Abril, sumalang sa iba't ibang joint military exercise ang Armed Forces of the Philippines at mga sundalong Amerikano sa taunang Balikatan exercise. At sa pagtatapos nito kahapon, sinabi ng Pilipinas at Amerika na naging matagumpay ang nasabing pagsasanay.
It remains a living document with profound relevance for our time. Balikatan represents in many ways our treaty alliance in microcosm, always evolving, strengthening our mutual capabilities to face new and more complex challenges.
Sa ngayon ay sisimulan na ang pagpaplano para sa Balikatan exercise sa susunod na taon.
There were many great lessons learned, and we really advanced our capabilities in a multitude of areas. Those would include planning, those would include command and control, those would include long-range precision fires, those would include adaptability, ability to operate in a situation, and also the expanded learning as we introduce new capabilities, weapons capabilities, planning systems, tools, etc. going forward.
Pero ayon kay Department of National Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., katuwang si National Security Advisor Secretary Eduardo Año, masusi nilang pag-aaralan ang ilalatag nilang plano.
Titignan natin. Ayaw kong pangunahan sila. Part of the exercise for me is to see how they plan, what they plan for, at titignan natin kung ito ay akma sa defense planning guidance, national security strategy na nilahad natin at ng ating Pangulo.
Samantala, ipinauubayan na ng kalihim sa liderato ng bansa ang pagpapahayag sa publiko kung mananatili ang mga missile system na ginamit sa Balikatan exercise ngayong taon, gaya ng MADIS o Marine Air Defense Integrated System at Nemesis o Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System.
Hindi ko pwedeng sagutin ang katanungan na yan. Paubayan nyo na sa liderato ng bansa sa ilalim ng operational security ang mga bagay na yan.
Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.